Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Kingston Memorial Centre for this evening's OUA women's hockey game between the visiting Laurier Golden Hawks and York Queens Gales. The game went to overtime, ultimately the Gales dropping a tough 4-3 decision. Laura Brooker scoring 3 goals for the Golden Hawks that led them to victory. I'm joined by Queens women's head coach Matt Holmberg. And Matt, you guys had a couple tough breaks late in the game that ultimately cost you. How would you grade tonight's performance from the girls, though?
Yeah, overall, I'm really happy with the performance. We always wanted to get better and prepare ourselves for the playoffs, and that was a tough battle between two of the country's best teams, and could have gone either way. Would we have preferred 2 points over 1? Absolutely, but bigger picture, I'm happy with the level of compete that we brought, and bounce or two, and could have gone the other way.
And with this being the Queens women's team's last home game of the year, you guys recognize some graduating players, but tonight was a little something special from some of the younger players who contributed offensively. What does it mean having such a bright future with the team moving forward?
Yeah, I guess that's the way it works, right? I mean, you want to be here to celebrate the amazing careers of our graduating players, and they're doing a great job of trying to pass the torch along to the younger players, and it's nice that the younger players are actually stepping up while they're still here, and that certainly contributes to team success. So certainly a very positive outlook for the future with some of our young players.
And lastly, Coach, you guys head to the road for the final 2 weekends of the season with your last 4 games being played away from Kingston. How do you guys rally from tonight's game to make sure that you're getting ready for the playoffs with the final 4 games away from home?
Yeah, I mean, we look at this game as being a preparation for the playoffs, and the mood in the room was disappointment, obviously, but also at the same time the team still is very confident in where we're at and where we're going to be in the next couple of weeks. We've got a couple good tests coming up, some very good teams that we're going to play, and there's no doubt in my mind that those games are going to prepare us even better for the playoffs.
Thanks, Coach. Good luck.
All right, my pleasure.
For Gales head coach Matt Holmberg, I'm Kyle Kumpel for GoGalesGo.com. Stay connected with the Queens women's team as they head to the road for the final 4 regular season games before joining us back here at the Memorial Centre for the playoffs in February.